Number 1 po is criminalistic. Ibig sabihin po nito ay study of physical evidence. Number 2 po is si Dr. Hans Gustav Adolf Gross. Siya po is father of modern criminalistic. Number 3 po ay res ipsa locator. The things speak for itself. Number 4 ay perspiration. Percent po nito is 95. Number 5 is inspiration, 3%. Number 6 is luck, 2%. Number 7 is Paul Elkirk, father of criminalistic in United States. Number 8 ay si August Vollmer, the first comprehensive crime. Number 9 po is criminalistic. Come from the ang criminalistic po is come from the German word criminalistic. Number 10 po is si Edmond Locard. Ang sabi po niya is every contact leave a trace. Number 11 po is dactyloscopy. Ang ibig sabihin po ng dactyloscopy is fingerprint. Number 12 po is forensic ballistic. Ito po yung ammunition ng baril. Number 13 po is question document examination. Study of document that are questionable or deceptable. Number 19 is lie detector. Ang ibig sabihin po ng ang kabilang tawag po is polygraph. 15 is legal medicine. Ang ibig sabihin po is a branch of medicine. Number 16 is SOCO. Ang meaning po ng SOCO ay scene of the crime operation. Number 17 is personal identification. Ito po yung ating yung wala po tayong katulad, yung pong ating fingerprint. Forensic anthropology. Ito po yung examination of human skeletal remains. Ito po, characteristic that may easily change is ito po yung mustache, growth hair at clothing. Number 22 ay gait line, the straight line connecting the center. Number 23 is foot line. Ang po is foot mark. 24 is characteristic movement. Ito po yung mannerism. Color of the skin. 25 Caucasian ay fair. Ang 26 ay Malayans ay brown. Ang 27 ay Negros black. 28 ay excision. Ito po yung ini-injection. 29 laser. Ito po yung pinakamadaling pag-alis ng tato. Number 30 is photography. Ito po is an art and science. And yun lamang po.